you are a loved one struggling from impulsive disorder, I know I am. So this is the 540 that was wrecked a couple months ago that we just picked up from the frame shop. As far as I can tell so far, the repairs look pretty solid. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put the interior back in. We gotta put the carpets, the front passenger seat, parts of the B-pillar, the headliner, and yeah, there's another 540 in the back, but we don't talk about that. So down here we got the big fuse panel that needs to go back into its housing. We've got the light control module that's just dangling around. So we just need to bolt those in. They just use these little plastic 10mm screws. I gotta bolt those back into place. Then we can put the carpet in, put the weather stripping back in for the door, for the water and air seal. Then we can put the seat back in and vacuum up all that glass from the window that shattered in the accident. Hey, what's that say? Minawaka. Minawaka. It's an inside joke. That was for you, Sebastian. Minawaka. Oh, crap. Freaking cut my finger on glass. Kiss my finger.
I'm okay.
Nah, I'll make it better.
Nah, man.
You're just not a real homie. You know that? What if I actually cut my finger on glass and needed assistance? I just wanted a kiss on the finger, but you ain't a real one to give it to me. See how it is?
Listen, man. Listen, man.
Ruining my life.
This dude.
Oh!
Wants me to kiss him every day. Every damn day. He's like, me kiss.
Hey, man, they be going down.
Do this, do that. It's ridiculous.
It's
ridiculous. How do you feel?
Lethargic. I haven't touched this car in like a year, so it's a miracle I remember where everything goes, but not really. Because, I mean, the amount of these I've rebuilt is crazy. That LCM doesn't go until after. You can put the carpet in before, and then it kind of goes up there, and then it fastens in with the clip behind the A-pillar lower trim plastic.
Ayo God, this is crazy.
Or just on my cars in general, repair-wise. I had to do something kind of hack for this carpet, but that's literally what the people on the forum recommended. You see how it's cut? I had to cut it because in order to remove this carpet, I don't know what it is. It's like, yeah, because I pulled this entire thing out when I redid the floor, but in order to remove this carpet from the passenger side, for some reason, all of this like dashboard has to come out. No, not even that, because I had the whole dashboard out. You saw the picture. There was no upper dash, no lower dash. The center console was gone. This interior was literally gutted. All you could see was the bar behind this dashboard. But for some reason, the carpet comes up and around this area here. Like, there's no separation that lets it come out. So you have to cut it, like, above where you can't see it. Forgot something. This is the cable that controls this. Check this out. For the seat belt. So that when you adjust the seat, this anchors to the bottom of it. So when you slide it forwards and back, it adjusts the level of the seat belt. None of this, you know, JDM peasant
Shit's
action.
crazy, man.
Nah, man,
Shit's
that's JDM peasant action manual seat belt adjustment.
He's just mad because I have a Honda that works. That's all it is.
Hey, listen, man.
That's all it is.
Listen.
I drive here every day in my Honda, and I show up. All of his cars are broken.
Shut the hell up, man. The S4 runs and drives great. Just don't pan the don't pan the camera at it. It's not on. It's not. Shut up.
There will be an intro for that car soon. I promise.
Very soon.
Those are the old Audi wheels right there.
Oh yeah, from the A4. I forgot about that.
You guys never got to see that. It blew up.
Oh man, how does it dist? How does it dist? So what I'm hooking up right now is this little cable that controls the seat belt alignment. Because like I said, we don't have a peasant spec vehicle like Cole over there. So there's a little cable that rivets to the bottom of the seat. And when you slide forwards and backwards, it adjusts the height of the seat belt. I lost a clip for it, so we're about to search around for it for like 15 minutes, and then we'll just cut to the seat being back in. Looking for one damn Allen key bolt that tightens the seat belt to the bottom of the seat frame. We've been looking for probably 15 minutes. I can't find it, so I'm just gonna steal it off of this car and just hope for the best. Why do good girls like bad guys? Some like bad guys.
I'm gonna head out.
Looking like a black guy.
So we're still here, looking for the bolt. It's been bad. We haven't found it, but
Yes, I did.
we stole it out of the other car.
We don't talk about that.
We stole it out of the other car.
That car's a charity cause. Look at it.
So yeah, we got a video coming in on this. We got a video on this right now. And then the next video, the next 540 video will be whole detailed video on what happened.
Flashlight work!
What happened here, what happened there. It'll be a fun time. You guys will get to see us go to Cedar Rapids, the whole shebang. So
I don't know if this one got cross-threaded previously or what, but I've had the seat up like 4 times, and every time I put this bolt in, very motivational and educational, whatever you want to call it, for all our viewers. When a bolt doesn't want to go in,
this dude did not. No way.
look at that! Look
No
at that!
way.
Look at that! That legitimately worked.
You just sucked off a bolt and it went in, man.
Hey. You know, I knew a kid back in high school who had a 540. He was 6-speed. His name was Zach. He's probably watching this video. And I remember he was like, "Yas, bro, it's hot as hell. My AC isn't working." I'm like, "Did you press the AC button?" He's like, "What are you talking about?" There's a little snowflake button on your car. You have to press that or the compressor won't turn on. He's like, no, bro, my car doesn't have that. I'm like, "Bro, every single one comes with it. You have to have it." And I look at his climate control panel and it was just missing the button. So I gave him a spare one of these because I've got like 10 or 30 in the basement. What do you know? His AC worked. He bought it for $1,000 less without working AC. Seatbelt's moving with the seat. That's a good sign. Oh! Alright, so we got the door panel back in. It's not wired up yet because this door is from a 2001. I meant to do that. 2001 525i, and there's a difference in the wiring between the two doors. So it's pretty simple. All I gotta do is take the harness from the pre-facelift door, plug all that in from behind, and then I can wire it up over here in the door. But for some reason I threw away the harness with the old door from the accident. I don't know why. So I, at least for now, put the door panel on with the handle, and I put the technical graphite trim piece on. The seat's in, the seat anchor for the seat belt is in, the seat is bolted down and torqued with blue Loctite, as well as the bolt for the seat belt. That's all in and good to go. Center console is back together, including the shifter assembly, the shift knob, which is temporary because I've got to rewire that other illuminated one. The wire broke. B pillars are in, C pillars are in. All that's really left to do is wipe down the interior and vacuum all the carpets, but we're not going to record that part because that's boring. And Cole has to go to a family dinner that I'm not invited to.
Shut up.
Making me mad.
Shut up.
I'm trying to go see Paul, man. So we got the interior in the black 540 today. That's where we're going to pause today because we're running out of time. We both got some stuff to do today. But if you can't tell, we're sitting in another car over here. I'm not going to say what it is yet, but stay tuned for the next episode. We'll have a video on what it is shortly. Thanks for watching.